We call the first participant Dr. Kalpan Desai. Please welcome Kalpan on the stage. Kalpan is one of my oldest friends. He's an orthopedic surgeon. We were in school together, college together, and of course we practice in the same area. He's an orthopedic surgeon. He is attached to Sujay Criticare like I am, and I love one thing about Kalpan is his immense curiosity about everything, and that is what makes him a very avid quizzer, avid participant of our other quiz QED. Loves traveling, trivia, Hindi movies, and very generously he says he loves pie. Okay, so Kalpan, you will have two sets of questions. As you know, the first set will be on orthopedics and the second set will be a general set. You will have a countdown timer every time. After it reaches 0, it will beep, and that is when I'll start asking questions. The timer starts now. If an elderly male complains of severe back pain since 3 months, getting worse at night, what tumor marker will you definitely ask for?
Pass.
Weight loss helps OA knee. On the other hand, an increase in 1 kg body weight increases the loading on the knees. How many fold? 6, 9 or 12 fold?
12.
Incorrect. Which benign bone tumor typically causes nocturnal pain?
Osteoid.
Correct. Contact sports should be avoided in persons with Down syndrome due to risk of which life-threatening injury?
Pass.
Fondaparinux 2.5 mg per day is useful to you orthopedicians in which situation?
For prophylaxis of DVT.
Correct. In a patient with lumbar canal stenosis, which of these two is more likely to aggravate pain in the lower limbs? Walking or cycling?
Walking.
Is correct. Which physiologic cause of carpal tunnel syndrome is likely to spontaneously resolve within months?
Pubertal goiter.
Incorrect. Which surgical emergency may present as bilateral sciatica, saddle anesthesia, and urinary incontinence?
Cauda equina syndrome.
Is correct. Pantoprazole, pioglitazone, and prednisolone share a common orthopedic side effect. Which?
AVN.
Incorrect. What is the name given to the upper lobe lung cancer that compresses the brachial plexus and causes pain mimicking cervical disc prolapse?
Can you repeat it?
What is the name given to the upper lobe lung cancer that causes pain similar to cervical disc prolapse?
Pass.
Which cancer risk is increased if injectable teriparatide is given to patients previously given skeletal radiation therapy? Which cancer risk is increased?
Breast.
Incorrect. Which anti-inflammatory drug, not liked by orthopedic surgeons because it is not very potent, is given orally in a dose of 10 mg 3 to 4 times a day? Which anti-inflammatory drug?
10 milligram.
10 mg 3 to 4 times a day. Name the drug.
Pass.
In fallopian tube disease, a patient with ankylosing spondylitis presents with unilateral painful red eye and intense photophobia. This is his third such attack. What is the eye diagnosis?
Uveitis.
Correct. Before doing lower limb surgery in a reproductive age female, it is important to elicit history of which oral drug intake?
The one to prevent that pre-product, I know what to say, oral contraceptives.
Is correct. Can we have the numbers up, please? 6 correct answers. I'll give you the incorrect ones. In an elderly male who complains of severe back pain since 3 months, which gets worse at night, the tumor marker you will ask for is PSA. an increase in 1 kg body weight increases the loading on the knee by 6-fold. The contact sport should be avoided in downs to prevent atlantoaxial dislocation. Physiologic cause of carpal tunnel syndrome which resolves spontaneously, pregnancy. The pantoprazole, pioglitazone and prednisolone increase the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Name given to the tumor of the lung, Pancoast. Which cancer risk is increased if teriparatide is given to patients? Which cancer risk is increased by teriparatide if the patient has received previously osteosarcoma? Which anti-inflammatory drug is given a dose of 10 mg 3 to 4 times a day? No. Ketorolac. And that's iodocyclase he gave, right? So Kalpan, your general round will now begin. Kalpan, your second round.
Yeah.
We'll start with the countdown timer, please. Name the dystonia that causes neck pain and is also the commonest adult focal dystonia.
Trapezitis.
Incorrect. 100 ml of 25% dextrose solution contains how many grams of sugar?
2.5.
Incorrect. A patient with spinal TB and 4-drug AKT should ideally have an eye checkup after 3 months to detect possible toxicity of which of the 4 drugs?
Ethambutol.
Correct. What is the commonest cause of high serum alkaline phosphatase in an asymptomatic patient? Commonest cause of serum alkaline?
Yeah, it could be vitamin D deficiency.
Is correct. 20 milligrams of prednisolone is equivalent to how many milligrams of injectable hydrocortisone?
You said hydrocortisone.
Correct. 20 milligram of prednisolone.
4.
Incorrect. Which of these 2 drugs used in hyperuricemia is more likely to cause Stevens-Johnson syndrome? Allopurinol or febuxostat?
Allopurinol.
Is correct. If Charcot's arthropathy in diabetes occurs most frequently in ankle or foot, which joint is most commonly affected in Charcot's arthropathy due to syringomyelia? Which joint?
Elbow.
Incorrect. High myopes, that is those with myopia greater than -6 diopters, require an yearly checkup to detect which complication?
Can you repeat it?
High myopes, -6 or more, require an yearly checkup to detect which complication?
Glaucoma.
Incorrect. Some diseases of the cervical spinal cord can cause shock-like sensations in the back of the neck, going down the spine when the neck is flexed. What is this phenomenon called?
Pass.
Which sulfonylurea has the greatest risk of hypoglycemia in a patient with high creatinine?
No idea.
A fall in elevated blood levels of GGTP is a sign that a person is decreasing his intake of what? A fall in GGTP.
Glucose.
Incorrect. A total of how many calories should you consume less or burn more to achieve a weight loss of 1 kilo? How many calories should you consume?
600.
Is incorrect. I wish. If an obese patient
It's 600 for 20 days. That's like that.
Okay, 600 for 20 days is incorrect. If an obese patient comes to you with a 3rd episode of trauma due to accident while driving, what respiratory disease should you think of? 3rd episode of trauma due to accident while driving, which respiratory disease will you think of?
Sorry.
Passed. I'll just go through the questions that he passed or did not answer. The focal dystonia, commonest focal dystonia is torticollis or spasmodic torticollis. 25% dextrose contains 100 ml, 25 grams.
So I said 25. Oh, I said 2.5. Sorry.
Okay. Then we asked him about Charcot's arthropathy, which shoulder joint? Yeah, correct. High myopes, detachment, the phenomenon on flexion of the neck, Lermit's phenomenon, which is the sulfonylurea which has the greatest risk of hypoglycemia, glibenclamide, a fall in GGTP decreases, alcohol intake is decreased. How many calories should be burned or consumed less to achieve 7,700 precisely? And which respiratory disease? Sleep apnea or obstructive sleep apnea while driving. Thank you, Kalpan. Kalpan's total score is 9 out of 30.